This video will show you the pros of installing wheel spacers and are wheel spacers actually safe. They're just automobile accessories that install between the assembly hub and the wheel. The main function and the purpose of the wheel spacers are to create the desired space between the vehicle hub and the wheel. The wheel spacer safety largely depends on their quality, fitting, and installation. In case of low quality, improper fitting, and incorrect installation, problems can arise while driving. So, the wheel spacers installation must exactly match the wheel assembly and the rim hub holes. High quality and high precision wheel spacers installing brings you the following benefits: providing a flush appearance of the vehicle, allowing safe use of aftermarket wheels and tires, changing bolt pattern and center ball, transforming lug-centric wheels to hub-centric wheels, clearing the clearance issue for big brake calipers. Choosing high quality and high precision spacers and installing them correctly can bring you many benefits. So that's all for today's video. Would you like to choose these bonus wheel spacers for your Land Cruiser? If you have any questions, please leave the comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.